Welcome! In my previous video, I demonstrated how recycled plastic bottles can be used to sprout the mung beans. I mentioned that the antioxidant content of mung beans increase significantly after sprouting. In this video, I will share with you what scientists say about sprouts. These plants qualify as a functional food, providing natural protections against heart diseases and some forms of cancer. Common sprouting seeds include mung beans, radish, broccoli, sunflower, lentil, soybean, alfalfa, cabbage, wheat, rice, pea, and others. What are sprouts? The product obtained from the germinations of seeds and their development in water or another medium harvested before the development of true leaf and which is intended to be eaten whole, including the seed. This definition is different from microgreens, which are the young plants of edible plants harvested when the first true leaves start to emerge. You can refer to my previous microgreen post to find out more about microgreens. The link is listed below the title of the video, the description section. It has been found that the germinations of edible seeds to produce sprout increases their nutritive value. Due to the fact that sprouts are considered cheap and relatively a new source of functional food, it is necessary to determine and characterize bioactive compounds occurring in ready-to-eat germinated seeds. Thus, a group of researchers in the University of Agriculture in Poland tested the nutritive values of selected seeds and sprouts. It was reported that germination increased the total phenolic content of most seeds in this order: mung beans 841%, sunflower 232%, radish 206%, and broccoli 68%. Phenolic content is antioxidant content. The flavonoid is also antioxidant content. Both phenolic content and flavonoids are related to the antioxidant capacity or activity of the beans. An increase in phenolic content along with the seed's germination may influence their free radical scavenging activity. It has been found that mung beans possess much higher flavonoids such as quercetin, camphor, lutein, apigenin after germination. I have done pure compound testing for these 4 flavonoids in a laboratory setting, and all of them are able to induce the NRF2 antioxidant signaling pathway, which is able to enhance the cytoprotective antioxidant capacity of cells. Last week, I have just posted my talk at the Cancer Conference on the pharmacodynamics aspect of these compounds. In pharmacology, the study of drugs, there are 2 main areas. First, it is the pharmacokinetics that deals with the absorption, distribution, and eliminations of drugs. Second, it is the pharmacodynamics that concerns the actions of the chemical on the organism. In simple terms, pharmacokinetics pertain what our body do to the drugs when we take them, and pharmacodynamics concern what the drugs do to our body, what our body do to the drugs include absorption, distribution, and elimination. The beneficial effects of taking sprouts, fruits, and vegetables that contain antioxidants are part of the pharmacodynamics. My recent post in the Cancer Conference explained the beneficial effects of natural antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables that contribute to our human bodies and how they can protect us from developing cancer. If you are keen, please check out that video. The pollen scientists have found that germinations of mung beans, the sprouts, as compared to the dry seeds, increase nearly 3 times of the flavonoids level, almost 12 folds of antioxidants activity, and 8 times of total phenolic content. It has been concluded that mung bean seeds are cheap and germination is the easiest when compared to radish, broccoli, and sunflower seeds. Therefore, germinated edible seeds are valuable source of antioxidants. I tabulated the table below based on the US Food Data Central Search results from USDA, the US Department of Agriculture. If you are keen, please check it out. I would like to highlight 2 points. 100 grams of sprouted seeds will provide about 90% of the recommended dose of vitamin C for children 1 to 3 years old and 100% of the recommended dose of vitamin K for the same age group of children. This shows that vitamin C of sprouts increase 2.75-fold when compared to the seeds. And for vitamin K, the sprouts have 3.67-fold increase compared to the seeds. Before I end this sharing, let me provide you a simple comparison between sprouts and microgreens. The reasons for growing sprouts are similar to growing microgreens, as I mentioned before in my microgreens YouTube. If you are keen, please visit the previous post. Here I want to highlight that it does not require light and can be harvested much earlier as they are harvested after germination. This table shows the difference between sprouts and microgreens. Here is a simple comparison between sprouts and microgreens. First, the growth cycle for sprouts are usually shorter than microgreens. It takes 3 to 14 days, while microgreens takes about a week to a month, depending on the species. Second, sprouts do not need sunlight, but sunlight is needed for microgreens, yet it is quite minimum when compared to mature plants. So microgreens can be grown throughout whole year. Third, there is no growing medium needed for sprouts, but microgreens need growing medium like soil. Fourth, no fertilizer or agrochemical is needed for sprouts, but for microgreens, one may add some fertilizers or agrochemicals. But I have yet to add any of them in my microgreens so far, but they still grow very well. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you can, please support and share. Thank you.